Yo, how y'all get famous if you don't want nobody see your face? Eh? Questions I asking, bro. I ask you a question and you don't answer.
I answer.
Why if you get famous if you don't want nobody see your face? Brother,
Yeah, brother, just ask the
so I just ask you. So I ask
Okay,
another
question
question. Alright. What's your full name?
Andre, aka Blue
Andre what?
Adrian.
What? If you not got answer honestly, that makes sense.
Andre Ramsey.
Andre Ramsey.
Yeah.
Are you in any way related to Keith Ramsey?
No,
Do you know who that is?
Batty Monday.
What's his name?
Shebada.
You're not related to him?
No.
Okay. Alright, so Andre, could you just tell us a little bit about yourself, please?
I'm jovial, nice going, helpful, and funny guy.
You're a funny guy.
Yeah, I love good trouble.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So Andre,
Yeah,
how old are you?
30.
You're 30.
Mhm.
Okay. Where do you reside at the current moment?
Where can I go? Blu Blu.
Will be
Live in my background.
11 mile background. Do you live there by yourself?
No, live with my big family.
You live with your what?
Every day with my family.
You live there with your family. So the house next to this house,
It's my mother.
is she not your family?
She's my mother.
Okay, she's your mother. Okay. Anyways, Blue,
Yeah.
what are you doing on your phone right now?
I try and download WhatsApp for text somebody.
Is that why it keep on turning the phone or rotating the phone itself?
Phone is sick.
The phone is sick.
Mm-hmm.
What is it sick with?
Don't know you can ask me.
Um,
That's the one let me sign in a damn Play Store.
Because what, you don't remember your password?
Yeah, password part I don't remember.
So did we fix this a few weeks ago?
No, my password I don't remember it.
Yeah, but you had that same issue a few weeks ago though.
Yeah. But me I get angry right now.
I get angry right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Blue, did you see the picture with the 14-year-old that they caught downtown with a gun?
And also I'm busy with them still.
I asked if you saw it.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts on that? Like,
My thoughts.
yeah.
Well, can't tell you that still, but I even know.
You don't even know?
I even know if I say.
You don't know what to say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have nothing to add. Like, you don't know. Like, is it right that the police locked up a 14-year-old, or is it wrong that a 14-year-old even have a gun in the first place?
In the first place.
Okay, who would you blame that on? Society, the parents, what?
Paying for the parents.
Why?
If what them son do.
But suppose the parents them gonna work. You don't think it takes a village, alright? Or you don't even understand that what I'm saying right there.
Honest my truth, tell you, I don't give a damn what them want to do. Or who them want to do. As it's not my family, I'm good, I'm alright.
You're good, you're alright. Okay. So you don't think it's an issue as long as it's not affecting you directly.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So Blue, you were telling me that you haven't gotten paid since November?
December, I don't know.
December, and it's almost the end of this month, January. I haven't gotten paid yet.
Yeah, we get paid, but life goes on.
Life goes on. So how are you surviving?
Trust.
Trust in God. What? Trust what?
Just trust in God and say if the next door open, can get through more.
Are you happy, Blue?
Yeah, why I'm not happy?
It's just a simple question, you know. So
Why
you're
I'm not
happy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll have some more follow-up questions, but for now, thanks for answering and participating in this, interview.
Mm-hmm.